is a workstation which helps you to connect to a system which is physically far away from where you're working from. At KETRACO in Kami House, we have implemented a remote desk which is connected or which gets information from the National Control Center. The National Control Center is based at Juja Road Substation, and its work is to control and monitor the entire Kenya power grid. What happens is KETRACO's mandate is to plan, design, build, construct, and operate the transmission network. In order to be able to operate the network and to create capacity for KETRACO to be able to maintain the stations which have already been implemented, KETRACO requires to get information on actual status of the network at any one time, as the way KPLC is getting the information. So what we have done is we have implemented a remote desk which connects to the National Control Center at Juja Road, so that we are able to get the actual status as the system changes, where you have challenges, where you have faults. We are able to monitor and see the KETRACO substations. This will help us in planning. In case there is challenges or there is a disruption in the KETRACO substation, we can be able to immediately see the challenges. However, we currently do not control the network, that is still under national control, but we are able to access all the information which is available to Kenya Power and Lighting National Control Center. To implement this, what we did is with agreement with KPLC, we extended the network through a firewall and brought, using the fiber, our remote desk here. So currently that's the status we are in, and we are able to use it.